Alright, in this video I'm going to show you a medium difficulty way to solve the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. It's the corner method. My corner method is better than most because you don't need the algorithms to get these in the right spot. You just get them there. So I'll scramble it up and I'll show you how it works. Alright, first you're going to put white up, and you're going to put in a random white corner with the algorithm right inverted down, inverted right down. You should already know that if you're attempting this method. So there it is. Now you're going to find another one. This one has red and blue, so look for a white corner that has red and blue in it. This one here has blue, so put it on the bottom, and then look at this piece here. It has red and blue. Blue is on the right. So if you're doing the blue piece, you're going to go to the right. If I was going to put the red piece in, you'd go to the left where red is. And you're going to put it in, right inverted down, inverted right down. So these are next to each other correctly. Now you're going to take another one. This one has green and orange in it. So here's an orange corner piece here. So you're going to put it in next to that with the algorithm. So they're next to each other. And then the last one obviously goes in the last spot. It's right here. So you just do this until it's up. Now all the white corners are solved, and you're going to do the yellow. So you're just going to do pretty much the last step of the basic method where you just flip them all up. So you're going to go right inverted down, right down until it's up, and you're going to move just the top, and do that again, and then move just the top until all yellows are facing up. These are not in the correct position because they are not next to each other. Well, these two are. If none of them were, you do the algorithm anywhere. But if they are, you put it on the left side, over here. Blue, blue, correct, on the left. The algorithm is 2R, U, 2R, UI, 2R, Y inverted, 2R, UI, 2R, U, 2R. And now they will all be next to each other, unless you did it randomly. Then you'd have to do it one more time with the solid on the left. So just line up the colors, well, the corners with their center, and you've solved every corner piece. Now you just have to do the center edges. So we're going to do white first. So find a white piece in the center layer, like this one here. What you're going to do is put the colored sticker on the front face, and the white on the left or on the right, if this piece was over here. And it's green, so you're going to put the green corners of the white side opposite the white. So opposite the white's right here. White's on this side, green corners on this side, green in the front. And you're just going to bring this down so that you can push this over and put it up so it's correctly lined up with its corner pieces. So here's another one. Colored sticker in the front, white on the right or the left, depending on where this piece is. And you're going to put the color it belongs on the opposite side. So the blue corners are back here, so move them opposite, like that. You're going to bring it down, push it into place, and put it up. Since you're only moving center pieces, none of the corners get screwed up, which is why this method works. So now you have to do one more. You're always going to leave one empty, so you're just going to get 3 of the centers. Notice they're both in a layer. None of them are in the middle. So what you're just going to do is move it over so that underneath there are 2 empty spaces lined up. You don't want to put your solved piece right here because you'll screw it up. So put an empty one, and then twist it and push it out of place. So that this is here, and you didn't screw up the ones you already did. Colored sticker in front, white on the right. Color it's going on, opposite side. Bring it down, slide it in, put it up. Now you've solved them all but one, which is what you want. After you do that, just flip it, and now you're going to do yellow. So take it. There's one difference to doing this. You just have to line up one more thing. So colored sticker in the front, yellow on the left or the right, depending on where this piece is. Opposite over here. So orange is over here, yellow's over here. And now you can't just go like this and do that. You have to make sure the keyhole is there. Because if you went like this and did that, you would screw up this solved one. So line up the bad piece with where you plan on putting the piece in. So this is orange, so it's going in the orange, so line up the keyhole underneath that. So that way when you twist it, you don't screw anything up when you put it in. So now you have that, and you didn't screw anything up because that one you didn't do yet. So now you're going to do another. Here's one here. Colored sticker front, yellow on the right. The greens are right here, so put them opposite of the yellow. Line up the keyhole with where you plan on putting it, and bring it down, push it in. It's very simple. One more here. Colored sticker in the front, yellow on the right. Put the red where it's going, opposite. Line up the keyhole right there. Bring it down and push it in. Now you've got them all but the one. So just line up. And now this is the part where you have to pay attention a little more. What you need to do is put a piece of opposite color backwards. So this is wrong. Yellow's up with yellow. Yellow needs to be with white. So I'll just find a white piece here so I can show you how to do it. You're going to put it into the yellow, so you're going to have it this way with white on the bottom. And instead of having white on the right, which would put it in correctly, you're going to have white in the front, like that. And you're going to put the piece where it's going, opposite, and then you're going to line up your keyhole. So you're going to put this down like you normally would, except this time, now you notice the white is in backwards and on the wrong color, which is what you need to do. Yellow is not in the center, which is what you need, so to get rid of that, you're just going to have to change this, move it twice, put it back, and then do it again. Just going to have to line those up, bring it down, put it in, which now got it out of it just by doing it a second time. And now with this, now you have to put it in correctly. So colored sticker on the front, yellow on the left, where it's going, opposite, line up the keyhole, bring it down, and push it in. Now you notice that when you do this, it solves this, and since you put that other piece in backwards and on the wrong side, it solves this. So now those are solved. And now just line up the colors where they belong. And now we're going to do these. So look for one that's in the correct spot. When I say that, I mean the correct colors. This is in the correct spot. It could be flipped the other way, or it can be this way. Just green, orange, that's what you need. If there isn't one, do the algorithm anywhere. If there is one, put it in the bottom, back. So it's all the way back here. And then you're going to do the algorithm M up, U2, M down, U2. If that puts them all in the right spot, it worked. If it didn't, you could have to do it a second time. Now, they will all be in the correct spot, and some will be flipped the wrong way. So they can be opposite each other, or they can be next to each other. Here they're next to each other. If they were opposite each other, you just move one so that they're on the same side. But we don't need to do that here. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold it vertically like I have it here on the top face, and you're going to do the algorithm M up, up, M up, up, M up, up 2, M down, up, M down, up, M down, up 2. And that solves it. So that's pretty much all there is to it. So I'll do a demo solve for you as using this method. I'll do as fast as I can. I wouldn't say I'm the best at it, but I know how to do it. So, alright, here we go. And there you have it. That's how you use that method. So thank you for watching. I'll make more videos soon. I hope that method works for you.